Hi and hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This session is Python Cheat Sheet 2024. Python Cheat Sheet is one of the most widely used popular programming language. Was developed by Guido van Rossum and related first in 1991. Python is a free and open source language with a very simple and clean syntax which make it easy for developers in Python. It supports object-oriented programming and is most commonly used to perform general-purpose programming. Python is used in several domains like data, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, scripting, networking, game development, and web development, and various domain other programs. Python programs. Practice with Python program example is always a good choice to scale up your logical understanding and programming skills, and the article will provide you with the best sets of the Python codes examples. The below Python section contains a wide collection of Python programming examples. These Python code examples cover a wide range of basic concepts in the Python language, including list, strings, dictionaries, tuples, sets, and many more. Each program's examples contains multiple approaches to solve this problem. So without wasting your time, start exploring the Python program and scale up your logical abilities in Python programs. Python data type. Python data types are the classifications or categorized of data items. It represents the kind of value that tells what operation can be performed on a particular data. Since everything is an object in Python programming, Python data types are classes and variables and instance object of these classes. The following are standard or built-in data types in Python: numeric, sequence type, boolean, set, dictionary, binary types. That's all.
This is Genreviews. This page was highly most rated and more gadgets and products will the price. Please check the video below the link. The link tab here explore the page. Thank you.
Tuples in Python. Python tuples is a collection of objects separated by commas in some ways. A tuple is similar to a Python list in terms of indexing nested objects and repetition, but the main difference between both the Python tuples is immutable, unlike the Python list, which is mutable.